The Samsung Galaxy Ring is finally here, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited. That's because the Galaxy Ring is a whole new wearable category for Samsung, and one that up until now has mostly been dominated by the Oura Ring. First and foremost, the Galaxy Ring is meant to be a health tracker. There's no vibration motor, LED indicator lights, notifications, or anything like that. Just good old sleep, heart rate, and activity tracking. On that front, Samsung's introducing a new metric called Energy Score. It's similar to the readiness scores you'll find on other health trackers, and the Ring is also capable of helping with cycle tracking. It can support auto workouts, sends movement reminders, and it gives high and low heart rate alerts. That said, unlike this year's watches, there's no FDA-cleared sleep apnea detection, and you don't get irregular heart rate rhythm notifications either. It's about 7 millimeters wide, it's made of titanium, and weighs about 3 grams or less, depending on which size you get. The hardware itself was pretty nice. Compared to all of my other smart rings, the most notable thing is that it has this slight concave shape. I don't know if it's a placebo, but it did help make it feel a little slimmer while I was wearing it. The Ring comes in 9 sizes total, ranging from 5 to 13. That's actually a bit wider than what I've typically seen from smart ring companies, though if you don't know your ring size, Samsung offers a sizing kit, which, by the way, I highly recommend that you try, because not only are your fingers different sizes, they can change shape during the day, like you'll bloat if it's hot weather. These are all size 8s, and I happen to be a size 9 in the Galaxy Ring, so it just goes to show better safe than sorry. Another neat thing is that it comes with this cute little charging case. I can't tell you how many times my cat has knocked off the Oura Ring charging puck off my nightstand, so I'm actually pretty excited about the charging case. Speaking of battery, you get up to 6 days on ring sizes 5 through 11 and up to 7 days on sizes 12 and 13. The case itself also holds about 1.5 times the charge. As cool as this all sounds, I don't know that Oura is going to be shaking in its boots just yet, and that's because the Galaxy Ring is Android only. Most of the features will be available regardless of which Android phone you have, but come on. We all know it's going to work best within the Samsung ecosystem. For example, if you wear a Galaxy Watch and a Galaxy Ring, the Samsung Health app can determine which sensors to prioritize. If you use a Samsung phone, there's also a really neat gesture feature where you can pitchy pinch and control your phone's camera or dismiss an alarm. That gesture feature is limited to the Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 at launch, but Samsung says it's also going to be coming to the S24 soon. These are some novel ideas as to how smart rings can function within an ecosystem. That is, if you're willing to pay the price of entry. The Galaxy Ring will cost $399.99, which is a bit steep. But hey, unlike some other smart rings, at least there's no subscription. I'll be putting the Galaxy Ring through its paces, so got any questions? Which features are you most curious about? Let us know in the comments. Smart rings. ASMR.